Hi ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to ITSnippets. Today I'm going to show you why I support the right to repair. So this is a Plantronics Legend, or a PT100, and I opened up the other day to find out that the ear part had fallen off. And when I went to reattach it, like so, and turn it, it wasn't sitting correctly. As you can just see, it's going to fall off again. So the main cause for this, if I can get to focus, is if I tilt this round, you can see there's a tiny little bit of plastic there, and there should be one over this side too, but it's been sheared off. Thankfully, you can buy replacements. These, I believe, are generic replacements on Amazon, and these cost me about £12, whereas replacing this is about £120. And if you're unfortunate like I am, the company doesn't supply those anymore, as in my company won't supply them to me anymore. However, these are cheap enough for me to decide to actually just use them on my own, or pay for them on my own. So let me just get them out of the bag. So as you can see, some are black and some are white in this collection. And you have small, medium and large, and the ear cups for them as well, so I suspect that's medium and that's medium. So these four can go away because I normally use the medium ones. Let me just place that down. Maybe let's see them a bit better on this one because it's grey. With the two holes in here, press it down and turn slightly, and there we go. That is now connected and it's not falling off. So I can now take this and spend about the next 10 minutes trying to fit this on correctly. Let's see, it might not be as bad as I'm expecting. And it could be worse. No, it's not too bad. So there we go. Now this is fully working again and isn't uncomfortable to wear, and it cost me less than £12. If you liked this video, give it a like. If you disliked this video, give it a dislike too. If you get feedback on this or any other videos or suggestions for videos you believe we should do in the future, then please let us know in the comments below. And most of all, thank you for watching.